Welcome to hashtag Better Eights. Today we make waffles. Join me. It's 11:45 a.m. and let us break fast, shall we? Better get your waffles. Let's go, let's flow. Share this out to somebody you know, and let's get to cooking waffles. Hello. The following ingredients you will need are it's cooking time. Heat up your toaster oven. I'm using my Whirlpool. All right, let's go, let's flow, and let's make some waffles here at hashtag Better Eats with your host, Chef Divine Wisdom. Now let's go. We are heating up the pan because we are going to drop the raspberries into this pan and make a little raspberry sauce to pour on top of the waffles. Let's go. All right, I want you to put a smidgen of butter in there. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right, and then I want you to drop a few frozen raspberries in there. Now, this is going to create a sauce. And the reason I said frozen, it doesn't matter if they're frozen or not frozen. As long as you have some raspberries, it doesn't matter if they're frozen or not. But if you can see, by them being frozen, see how I'm already getting a little bit of juice there? So I say frozen because, see, that's how you want them. If you could smell these raspberries, baby. Now your raspberry mix is pretty much done. Now that's your raspberry mix. We're going to take and sprinkle a pinch of sugar in there. Just a sprinkle. That's just a pinch of sugar. Because raspberries are a bit tart. So you want to sweeten them up just a little bit. Now, your raspberry mix is done. Now it's time to start making this Eggo, baby. Let's go, let's flow and assemble this waffle. Hello. Thank you for coming back to hashtag Better Eat. We are making breakfast. And today I'm going to show you how to take a simple Eggo and turn it into a spectacular Eggo. Now, we're going to take our raspberries. Actually, before we take our raspberries, get you some maple syrup and add a little bit of maple syrup on there. That's all you really need. Just a little bit of maple syrup. Wash the spoon off because you're going to use that spoon again for your chocolate syrup. Now, take your raspberries. and just sprinkle them on the top like so. And then spread it out. And if you want, you can also add some frozen strawberries, some frozen raspberries as well. And that's your raspberry jam. That is also how you make raspberry jam. When you want some jam, you can take any fruit and cook it, and it will turn into a jam. Now, them raspberries are some kind of good. Now you take, as I showed you, this is now a piping bag. See? Take your scissors to your sandwich bag and cut the tip right here very small. Don't cut a big piece. Cut a very small piece. See this? Not this big. Come all the way down and cut the very tip. And now you have a piping bag. See? Now, I want you to pipe on what? Your whipped cream, baby. It's simple. You can swirl around. That would be because I'm telling you not to cut a big hole. You can swirl around like so and make you some little cute eyeballs. That's what happens when you don't shake the top of the piping bag. Like so. You have the option. It's all on what you want to make. Or you can come on down and then go around. However you want to make it, you still going to end up making it look like an eyeball at the end result. And I like a lot of whipped cream, so I'm just using the rest of my whipped cream. And you just, now this was only a spoonful. And see how you can get a whole lot for just a spoon. Now, I want you to take your chocolate and get a spoonful of chocolate. Chocolate is good, 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 yes, real good. I want you to take a spoonful of chocolate and just sprinkle it on top like so. Just pour it on top, baby. Pour it on top. Pour it on top. And this is what you call a divine ego, baby. Now, with the remaining raspberries, put you an eye right there and an eye right there, and simply create you a smile. Now you can use this for Valentine's Day or when you just simply want to give your husband, a loved one, or just family and friends a nice meal. I started to make a tongue right there. But as you see, the more you add, the better it's just going to taste. So with that being said, I want you to take some time out of your busy schedule to make you and your family a lovely egg or waffle that I'm sure you all will enjoy. It's always a pleasure. I thank you for choosing hashtag Better Ace with your host, Chef Divine. Monday, Thursday, Sundays at 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now go be mighty, King and Queen. Peace and blessings. Thanks.